Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So, do you need to check an order you placed on Etsy? Whether you want to track shipping, download files, or contact a seller, finding your purchases only takes a few steps. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to find your Etsy purchases in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So, first thing, find purchases. So logged in account, so you have to sign in or log into your account first. Okay, so for example, let's join the the website first. So now tap your profile, um tap purchases and reviews. Okay, all your orders appear here. Okay, so on desktop, go to Etsy.com, sign in, click your profile icon, select purchases and reviews, and full order history displayed. So now, what you can do from purchases. So inside each order you can track shipments, view order details, contact seller, leave review, download digital files. So everything is managed here. Okay. You can also find guest purchases, so if you checked out as a guest, open your email inbox, search for Etsy order confirmation. Open confirmation email and click view your order, so access tracking and details. Guest orders are email based only, okay? So that's it guys, this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.